Hello, my name is Håkan and welcome to Ahrex fly tying. Today I will be tying a spider or flymph soft hackle fly, and I will be tying it on the new Ahrex Legacy hooks. This is the North Country Spider, and as you can see the hook has sort of a classic look with a bronze color. And yet, as you can see, the hook band is quite classic as well. It's sort of a neck band on this, and very short shank. So it's mainly made for North Country style spiders and soft hackles. So we will tie one with Partridge and Hare today. So this is the LE 810, and this is the size 12. And we start just behind the hook guy to tie in the hackle. And the hackle is made from Partridge, and I have a full skin here because it's easier to get the right feather for the type of fly and the size of the fly you're looking for. And as you can see on these patches, this is actually the chest part of the bird. They are more of grayish color, and this is perfect if you want a real distinct marked feathers. But on the other hand, some of the stems here are a bit thicker, so they are a bit tricky to work with. On the back here, you can see there are more brown feathers, and that's what I will be using today. And the good thing with full skin is that you can see the sizes. They start just here with the smallest feathers in the brown shade, and they go all the way back to the tail, and here you have really, really long feathers. You can get them from all the sizes of the hooks. And up here, just behind the head, then on the neck side, you find really, really small soft feathers. So you can tie actually spiders and flymphs down to size, I would say 18, 20. But I will be working with the brown feathers here. So I picked out a feather with a nice pattern, a nice fiber length. And I tie it in pointing forward with the back side up, like this. And I want to add some sort of flash or glitter to the fly. So I'm using, this is actually called hot yellow wire, but you can use gold wire or maybe copper as well. So we tie it in along the shank, and I don't use the full length. And the body is made of hare's ear or maybe a mixture of hare's ear and rabbit. But we just take a very, very small amount and just sort of change the shade and color of the thread. And then we just make a very slim body. That was even too much. And I would just follow with the wire, and I cross-wind it so it doesn't disappear into the body. And tie it in. And now for the hackle, I leave the thread behind the hackle because I'm going to wind it backwards. So we just make one and a half turn, tie it in, and then we just move the thread through the hackle and secure it this way as well. And we cut off the feather. And I want the fibers to stand out, and that's the reason I'm winding the hackle this way. So I just move the feather fibers away so I can make a few turns and then just finish with a whip finish. And there we have a really good soft hackle spider fly. This will imitate close to every small insect that will hatch.